Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Spectrum router easy guide step by step clearly. To reset your Spectrum router, start by locating the reset button. The reset button is usually found on the back or underside of the router. You may need a paperclip or a similar tool to press the button. Gently insert the paperclip into the small hole next to the reset button. Press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. You should see the router's lights blink, indicating it is resetting. After releasing the button, wait for the router to reboot. This process may take a few minutes. Once the lights on the router stabilize, the reset is complete. Connect your device to the router's default Wi-Fi network. The default network name and password are typically found on a sticker on the router. Open your web browser and enter the router's IP address in the address bar. The default IP address is usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log in using the default username and password, which are often admin for both. Navigate to the settings to customize your Wi-Fi name and password as desired. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings. Your Spectrum router is now reset and ready to use. Reconnect your devices to the newly configured network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.